Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Through this video, we will continue our journey of learning basic vocabulary in the Kashmiri language. However, if you have not checked out our earlier videos that have been published already, do consider checking them out by following the link under the description of this video. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me when I speak the Kashmiri words that are highlighted in red color in the slide. Let's get started. Tur, tur, a piece of cloth. Tur, tur, cold. Teer, teer, an arrow. Tar, tar, wire. Tar is also used to denote action of crossing the river, for example, and tar is also used to denote telegram in Kashmiri. Tor, tor, wooden bolt of a door. Tar, tar, to drench or to cross. Tariq, tariq, manner or custom. Tilasam, tilasam, magic spell or enchantment. Tumturak, tumturak, pomp and show. Til, til, golden thread. Let's repeat these words now. Tur, tur, tir, tar, tor, tar. Tariq, tilasam, tumturak, til.